Ever wondered how machine learning can optimize your tech setup? Well, it's not as complicated as it might seem. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to incorporate machine learning into your tech environment to elevate its efficiency and performance. First, it's crucial to understand what machine learning is. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that gives computers the ability to learn from and make decisions based on data, without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching an infant how to recognize shapes or colors. The process involves repeated exposure to examples until the concept is understood. So, how does one apply machine learning to a tech setup? The first step involves identifying the problem. What aspect of your setup needs optimization? It could be anything from reducing system downtime, improving security, or enhancing user experience. Once you've identified the issue, the next step involves gathering relevant data. Machine learning algorithms thrive on data. They analyze patterns and trends, using this information to make informed predictions and decisions. Therefore, the more relevant data you have, the more accurate your machine learning model will be. Next, choose the right machine learning algorithm for your problem. There's a wide variety to choose from, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular ones include decision tree algorithms for making clear-cut decisions and neural networks for problems that require a human-like understanding. Now that you have your data and algorithm, it's time to train your machine learning model. This involves feeding your data into the algorithm, allowing it to learn and understand patterns. Think of it as teaching a dog a new trick. With enough repetition and reinforcement, the dog will eventually understand and perform the trick. The final step is testing and refining your model. This involves running your model on a separate set of data to verify its accuracy. If the model performs well, great. If not, you'll need to tweak and refine it until it does. To summarize, using machine learning to optimize your tech setup involves identifying the problem, gathering relevant data, choosing the right algorithm, training your model, and then testing and refining it. Remember, machine learning is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your tech setup. However, it requires a thoughtful approach and a willingness to experiment and learn. With patience and persistence, you'll soon be reaping the benefits of a more efficient, optimized tech setup. It's an exciting journey into the world of machine learning, and the possibilities are endless. So why wait? Start optimizing your tech setup with machine learning today.